Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. So, for today, we took a swing trade actually, and last night during Asia session, and I'm about to show you guys what I took. So, before we get into it, I'm going to be requesting a 25K payout today by the end of the day. Banked around 4.7K across all 5 accounts, as you can see right here. And this is the trade that I took. So let's break this down really quick and show you guys what I took. So let's go into replay trading right now and go back to before Asia Open. So you may be asking, why am I on the charts on a Sunday? Well, the day before this, Trump came out and said that the USA has bombed Iran. So the US launched airstrikes on Iran's military bases. So we have war news on that happened on a Saturday. So on Sunday, I was honestly looking for a gap down, and I was actually looking for a continuation, and I thought Asia was just going to take out all of these lows, right? I thought we were just going to have like a big bearish day on Sunday. But that actually didn't end up happening, right? So we did gap down. Um, let's play out the candle right here, right? Or actually, let's just go back to the hourly time frame really quick. Okay, there we go. Right, okay. So we gapped down. We took down previous day low, as you can see right here. This is previous day low right here. We took it out, going into the hourly. Now we're rejecting off of it, going into the 1 minute time frame. We can go back all the way here, right? We take out previous day low, and then we end up pumping, right? And then sooner or later, we end up filling 50% of this new week opening gap. As we can see right here, we go and tap it, and then we just chop, okay? So I was in my Discord at this time, and I was saying, okay, I'm not looking to engage in this, but I'm still looking for this gap to get filled, right? But I thought this gap would get filled in New York session. I didn't actually end up expecting it to get filled overnight. And that's actually what ended up happening. But I was actually thinking Asia was going to dump at Asia Open, and it actually didn't end up doing much. We just ended up chopping. So I got off the charts, and then around like 10 p.m. Pacific time, so just a little bit before London Open, I get on the charts to see, what price is doing and to see if we are making any moves to the upside to fill this gap. So fast forward to 10 p.m. And the reason why I was on at the time is because I was trying to see the weekly outlook, right? I was trying to mark out what price was going to do, or what I thought price was going to do for the week, right? Just marking out my drawn liquidities and seeing where price is more likely to go. So without further ado, let's go to 10 p.m. really quick. Right here, okay? So we're still chopping a little bit, but I see that we're respecting this 15-minute gap right here, okay? And currently we are in a range. So this is our range high right here, range high, and this right here is our range low, range low. Now at this moment, I'm still remaining pretty bullish since we're respecting this gap, right? And we also have a lot of room to fill, right? We have this entire gap to fill, and I'm expecting this gap to get filled. So what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for a breakout of this range high right here, a close above it, and then possibly a retracement to take higher to go eventually fill this gap. And that is exactly what we get, right? We get a breakout and then a close above this range high right here. And then, let me go back. I set a limit order at this fair value gap right here. Let me mark out this fair value gap. I set a limit order at the top of this fair value gap right here. Go in with, 1 second. I go in with 3 contracts right here. Okay. Well, can I place a limit order? Let's see. All right, maybe I can't. All right. Let me just play out some candles really quick. All right, this is good enough. Okay, so I put a limit order at this fair value gap right here, and then my stop was at this low right here. So I'm risking around like $1,700, a little bit more than my usual risk, but I've already built up a pretty big buffer on this account, so it's okay. I was completely fine with risking this amount. So my TP was right here, and my break-even point was at this 15-minute fair value gap right here. So since it's a swing trade, I'm not actually monitoring my trade in real time. I'm not actually waiting this entire time. I just set an alert right here, right? Okay, I can't even do that right now. But I set an alert on TradingView, so it would notify me when this got hit, and then I just move my stop to break even. Okay, so stop got hit, or break even got hit, or sorry, break even point got hit, right? So I move my stop to break even. Actually, I move it a little bit higher, I think, to secure a winning day at least, right? So like right here, and we end up going out and take profit. As simple as that. Just trying to fill this new week opening gap, and pretty clean delivery. I also set an alert here, and then I woke up in like the middle of the night to see that my TP got hit. So yeah, pretty fire day on Sunday, and gonna be requesting that payout. So I'm gonna be done trading for the month. That's basically it. If you're not in my Discord, or if you're not already in my Discord, join it. I do a lot of index analysis, and I just had a live stream today. So I do live streams for free Mondays and Fridays, and I'm in this index analysis chat on Tuesdays and Thursdays, just giving out draws and what I think the market's going to do. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section down below, or you can feel free to join the Discord and ask me questions there. See y'all.